Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth of over $100 billion. He is known for his wise and insightful quotes about investing, business, and life. In this video, we will explore 25 of Warren Buffett's most overlooked quotes and provide a relevant numerical fact to help illustrate their importance. Quote number 1. You can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backward. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in a 2005 commencement speech at Stanford University. This quote emphasizes the importance of trusting your instincts and taking risks, even when the outcome is uncertain. Numerical fact. A study by Gallup found that entrepreneurs who take risks are more likely to achieve financial success. Quote number 2. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 1997 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the importance of long-term investing and avoiding the temptation to make short-term trades. Numerical fact. According to a study by J.P. Morgan, investors who held their stocks for 20 years or more had a 100% chance of making a profit. Quote number 3. The best investment you can make is in your own abilities. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 2004 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and personal development. Numerical fact. According to a study by Pew Research Center, individuals with a bachelor's degree earn an average of $1,173 per week, while those with only a high school diploma earn an average of $712 per week. Quote number 4. Investing is simple, but not easy. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 1993 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the difficulty of successful investing despite its apparent simplicity. Numerical fact. According to a study by Dalbar Incorporated, the average equity investor has underperformed the S&P 500 by 4.35% per year over the past 30 years. Quote number 5. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 2004 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the importance of a long-term perspective in investing. Numerical fact. According to a study by J.P. Morgan, missing the best 10 days of trading in the S&P 500 over the past 20 years would result in a 50% reduction in overall returns. Quote number 6. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in a 2008 interview with the New York Times. This quote emphasizes the importance of surrounding yourself with successful and positive people. Numerical fact. A study published in the Journal of Consumer Research found that people are 95% more likely to complete a weight loss program if their friends also participate in the program. Quote number 7. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1 inch. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 2004 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the importance of risk management and the preservation of capital in investing. Numerical fact. If you lose 50% of your investment, you need to earn a 100% return to get back to your original investment value. Quote number 8. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in a 2011 interview with Forbes. This quote emphasizes the importance of reputation and integrity in business. Numerical fact: the average cost of a data breach in the US was $8.19 million in 2019, according to the IBM Security and Ponemon Institute's Cost of a Data Breach report. Quote number 9. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 1988 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the importance of investing in companies with strong fundamentals and potential for growth, rather than just focusing on the price of their stock. Numerical fact: over the past 30 years, the S&P 500 has returned an average of 9.8% per year, according to data from NYU Stern School of Business. Quote number 10. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in a 2005 interview with the Financial Crisis Inquiry Commission. This quote emphasizes the importance of education and knowledge in investing. Numerical fact: according to a study by the National Financial Educators Council, individuals with higher financial literacy are more likely to save for retirement, avoid credit card debt, and make better investment decisions. Quote number 11. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 1989 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the importance of investing in high-quality companies with strong competitive advantages, rather than just looking for bargains. Numerical fact: according to a study by Credit Suisse, companies with high levels of sustainable competitive advantage have outperformed the market by an average of 2.7% per year over the past 50 years. Quote number 12. In the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer than the windshield. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 2003 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the importance of learning from past mistakes and experiences in business. Numerical fact: a study by Harvard Business Review found that companies that learn from their failures and make changes to their strategy are more likely to succeed in the long run. Quote number 13. You can't make a good deal with a bad person. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in a 1998 speech at the University of Florida. This quote emphasizes the importance of integrity and honesty in business. Numerical fact: according to a survey by the Ethics Resource Center, 41% of employees have witnessed misconduct at work, and companies with high levels of misconduct have lower financial performance. Quote number 14. It's only when the tide goes out that you learn who's been swimming naked. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said this quote in his 2001 letter to shareholders. This quote emphasizes the importance of risk management and the ability to weather economic downturns. Numerical fact: the global financial crisis of 2008 resulted in $2.8 trillion in losses for investors, according to a report by the International Monetary Fund. Hey there, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.